I'm going to show you how to pin and how to star text messages on Android. Two different features, but both are super useful. Let's look at pinning first. We'll go to the Messages app and to the page where you see all your conversations. I can long press any conversation here and then use the little pin icon on top of my screen to pin that thread on top of my Messages app. Now, no matter what happens in other conversations, this pinned conversation will always be at the very top of my list of conversations. On modern versions of Android, you can pin up to 20 conversations, but I'd say the smart move is to only pin a couple of them, so the truly important threads are always easy to find on the top. Pinning only works for entire conversations, but if you want to sort of pin or highlight a specific message, that's what the star feature is for. I'll go to a conversation and then find something I want to save for later. I'll long press a message, and then on the top of my screen, hit the little star button. This will star the message, allowing us to find it later without having to scroll all the way back in a long conversation. I'm going to go ahead and star some text as well. This could be something like a phone number, an address, or really just about anything that you want to be able to find later. Long press, star button, done. To find your starred items, we'll go back to the main page of the Messages app. Then you'll tap the search button on the top, and from the search menu, we'll tap Starred. This will show all the texts and images and videos you've starred, so you can easily view them in one place without having to search for them in your conversations. And there you have it. Click that like button if this was helpful and subscribe on your way out. Thanks all, until next time.